Hello and welcome to another episode of Kim's Tech Corner. Yeah! Today we're going to talk about pre-treatment for bonding. There is normally 3 different ways of doing pre-treatment before bonding. The simplest way is simply cleaning the profile before bonding. We would use the simple cleaning pre-treatment in cases where we don't need a structural bond, but a sealing surface is sufficient. This could be typically when you would be sealing a gap between a profile and another material. The second method quite often used is sanding. Sanding can be ready done at the Exel factory, or it can be done at the customer's premises depending on the application. A typical application where we do use sanding a lot is our laminate products. Our laminates are quite often sanded either on one side, like this laminate here, or on both sides. This means that they can be bonded into a structure immediately and with a very good bond. Typical end uses are skis, skateboards, and similar applications. The third alternative is peel ply, and this is my favorite. The reason it is my favorite is because it is introduced already into the pultrusion process and no extra fabrication steps are needed. And when the customer receives the profile, they remove the peel ply and have a surface that is absolutely ready for bonding. No need for degreasing, it's a rough surface and it's going to be perfect every time. Peel ply being the most versatile way of doing the bonding preparation and is used in very many different applications. The peel ply can be a very narrow strip for a very narrow bond line, or like in this case, covering the full surface of the profile. Whatever your application or challenge is, we'll be happy to help you find the best solution. This is probably the ones you're going to use anyway.